So if you draw it out too far, you're going to have a real flimsy hook. It's going to bend real easy. So I would heat it up, just work on that last inch at the most, drawing it out to a point.
Smile, Philip.
Oh, put it back in. Not as deep. There you go. If you want, you can use a smaller hammer. You just throw it on the ground. Just hit straight down on it. There you go. And you're starting to twist again. Yeah. What you want to do is you just want to tap on it real lightly, just straight down. See how I'm flattening that out? Okay. Now you'll do that again. See how that flattens that out to a point like that? And you keep going with it, it'll come out to almost a needle point.
It don't need to be that big. All you need is just a little pot. Depending on what you're doing.
It don't take much when you're getting out that small. It moves pretty easy.
Yeah.
You almost. It don't take long when you're that small.
That'll mess it up if I melt it like that.
Yeah, you just have to draw it out again. Just hit straight down on it. And bring your handle, so when you're hammering, you're hammering more like that. And you'll know when you miss and hit the handle.
Yeah.
Jessica found that out yesterday.
Yeah, she found that out.
She had to stop and look at it for a little bit, like, what the hell did it do that?
Boy, time to have a picture. That would have been it.
That would have been it. Yep. Facial expression there would have been priceless.
Yeah, it would have been. That was so cool.
When she did that and I heard that, I knew exactly what happened. Some round square, whatever you want to do. Yeah, you're fine. Just set it up like a diamond and then hit your corners. There you go. See how that starts to get a flat spot on there? And if you hit it a little harder, it's not going to hurt it because it'll just draw it out to more of a point. That's all it'll do.
Yeah, they were doing 90 foot at that day, and they said that that's just about all the farther they could go. Because like for what it costs to get over and what it costs to hold. But they said, oh, I there you go. Left. And they drove up on top of this mountain hill.
Work it up where it's hot.
He said, you know, for as far as you can see,
so you can go when you're there. You can go all the way up here and then do it again on another corner. You can work it all the way up. When it's a hot in a big area like that, work what's hot. You'll get better results that way. Are you videoing, Rod?
Yes.
He's going to be on YouTube.
If it starts to curl up, that's not gonna hurt nothing. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just get it hot and straighten it out. So it's taking on the round form again.
Yeah. Now it's kind of like a.
It ain't gonna hurt nothing.